The hottest opening day of the Wimbledon Championships on record. Today it could be even hotter across the south and the east and still humid. We've got a weak weather front across the central swathe of the country producing cloud and a few showers, but fresher conditions coming in behind that front into the northwest. I'll have all the details coming up. Good morning to you too. There are some clouds in the sky here at Wimbledon, but a lot of blue sky around, and already it feels really quite warm, and if anything it is going to get hotter. Now yesterday we reached 32.9 Celsius here at Wimbledon, making it the hottest first day of the championships on record. Today, somewhere in the southeast could reach 34 or indeed 35. So the forecast for us all today is again hot and muggy in the southeast in particular, but for the rest of the country we're into fresher conditions. Now we've had a weather front that's produced some heavy rain across parts of western Scotland overnight. It's moved across Scotland and Northern Ireland and has sunk south across parts of England and Wales, producing a band of cloud and also some showers. To the south of that, it's dry, sunny and muggy. To the north of it, we're looking at fresher conditions, but somewhere in the southeast could reach 34, possibly even 35. That is really uncomfortable. Now, as we head on through the evening and overnight, that weather front peps up for a time across Cumbria, parts of northern England generally, and also eastern Scotland. Most of the showers move away, but will linger across parts of eastern Scotland, and it's going to be a fresher night for us all, but still an overnight low of 17 degrees across the London area. Into tomorrow, we've got some showers coming into the southwest. They're going to drift eastwards. We expect them at this stage now to miss London, which is a change to yesterday's forecast. But we will have them across northern and eastern parts of both England and Scotland. Tomorrow, fresher across the board, a good 10-degree drop in temperature where it has been so hot and so sticky, which for some of us will be a blessed relief. John and Sal.
And for some of us, it might be a bit of a shock. Carol, thank you very much. We'll see you soon.
The edges of the grass are all sharp and upright, ready for the players. And of course, play starts here in Centre Court at 1:30 this afternoon. So already hot here, it's going to get hotter. In fact, the forecast today is another hot and humid one in the southeast. It's the last day of this present heat wave. Whereas if we move further north, we're in fresher conditions. And that's because we've had a weather front which has brought in some rain across Scotland and Northern Ireland overnight. As it's moved across England and Wales, it's weakened and not bringing much more really than a band of cloud and the odd shower. So behind that band of cloud, which is a weather front actually, it's fresher. We're looking at a mixture of bright spells, sunshine and a few showers, but ahead of it we still have the muggy conditions. There's a small chance we could reach 35 degrees somewhere in the southeast today. Now the showers will be heavy in the last part of the afternoon and into the early evening across northern England, especially Cumbria and also southeast Scotland. That will push off into the North Sea, and then for all of us it's going to be a fresher night ahead. Having said that too, 16 or 17 in East Anglia and the southeast won't feel particularly comfortable. Tomorrow we start off with showers across the north and the east of the country. We've got some coming in from the southwest, drifting towards the southeast. At this stage we think they may well miss Wimbledon. But one thing you will notice is the temperatures in the southeast is going to be a good 10 degrees colder or cooler than it is today. We're looking at about 25 Celsius. And then the next day, well, it's going to be wet in the north and dry and bright and sunny in the south. Sal and John. Wimbledon forecast is going to stay dry today. It's going to be sunny. We're looking at just light breezes. And as we were just saying there to Annabelle and to John, temperatures could get up to 32, but potentially a bit higher than that. Now, it's the last day of the heat wave, and what you'll find is we're still going to be hot and muggy across the southeast of England, not just Wimbledon, but we've got fresher conditions already coming in across the northwest. A weather front's been crossing Scotland and Northern Ireland through the course of the night. That's brought in some heavy rain, but it's been weakening as it's been crossing England and Wales. So it's not much more now than a band of cloud extending from the southwest of England, parts of Wales, the Midlands, into the northeast of England and eastern Scotland with a few showers. So dry, sunny and muggy in the southeast. There is a potential we could reach 35 degrees today somewhere in the southeast, but we're looking at fresher conditions across the northwest. As we go through the course of the latter part of the afternoon into the evening, Some of the afternoon showers will be heavy, especially across Cumbria, but generally across northern England and southeast Scotland. And as we go through the night, a lot of these will push off into the North Sea. We'll hang on to a few residual ones across eastern Scotland, and it's going to be a fresher night across the board. I say that loosely because in East Anglia and also the southeast, temperatures are only falling away to between 16 and 17 degrees. So tomorrow we start off with showers across the north and the east of the country. Some of those will be heavy. We might hear the odd rumble of thunder. Showers coming in from southwest England are also drifting eastwards. Change to the forecast. We thought yesterday they may affect Wimbledon, but at the moment it looks like they perhaps won't. But one thing you will notice is the drop in temperatures, 10-degree drop in temperature in the southeast tomorrow. So we're all going to be in the fresher conditions. And then as we head into Thursday, we've got showers coming in across Northern Ireland and Western Scotland. They're going to push across all of Northern Ireland, all of Scotland and Northern England through the day. But a ridge of high pressure will keep things settled for the rest of England and Wales. And temperatures up a little bit because there will be a bit more sunshine. So we're looking at highs of 26, maybe 27. If you're wondering about the weekend, it's looking like it's going to turn more unsettled with wet and windy conditions at times. Sal and John.
OK.
Carol, thank you very much. We'll see you again soon.